Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Lou's VCE Biological Channel. Today, let's learn together about the 2023 NHT Biology. We will focus on questions related to disease challenges and strategies. My explanations may need to be revised. If any teachers, parents, or classmates find errors, please feel free to provide your guidance. PRSV damaged the papaya, so we have to control this virus. Releasing PRSV parasites will extend the infection, so A is eliminated. Vaccinating all papaya is so expensive that vaccinating is impossible, so B is eliminated. Cloning papaya infected with PRSV will extend the infection, so C is eliminated. Transferring genes against PRSV might impart papaya against PRSV, so D is correct. Both complement proteins and interferons can be part of the innate immune response. This table shows that influenza can spread by area and droplet. To reduce the infection rate, mandate mask wearing in all enclosed areas and disinfect surfaces frequently. B and C emphasize one method, disinfecting surfaces or wearing a mask, not both. Close windows will increase the infection rate. Babies can acquire the antibodies from their mothers during pregnancy. This is a passive natural immunity. People should be vaccinated from mid-April onwards, and the influenza season is typically between June and September. The reason is that immunity develops 2 to 4 months after vaccination. The composition of influenza vaccines can change against the new strains of influenza since gene mutations lead to changes in the surface proteins of the virus. Mpox is endemic to West and Central Africa. Endemic means a disease or outbreak of disease that is typically present in a particular region or population. Since the incubation period is 5 to 21 days, suitable responses to control the spread include quarantine or isolation before departure, on arrival for a period of 21 days, checking individuals for symptoms before departure and not allowing them to leave the country if they display symptoms, and vaccinating individuals, burning contaminated bedding and materials, or wearing gloves to avoid direct skin contact. Compare two vaccines, ACOM 2000 and JYNNEOS. ACOM 2000 could be administered as this is very effective and only requires 4 weeks to achieve maximum immune response and therefore will achieve herd immunity more quickly. JYNNEOS could also be administered as it leads to fewer side effects even though it requires 10 weeks to achieve maximum immunity. This will allow more members of the population to be inoculated without causing negative press. Many cancers express high levels of PDL-L1, which prevents immune cells from detecting cancer cells, so monoclonal antibody against PDL-1 is developed to treat certain cancers. Monoclonal antibodies bind to PDL-1 antigens on cancer cells, stimulating TC cells or NK cells to target cancer cells. They can also be designed to deliver radioactive compounds to only the cancer cells or to block cancer cells from receiving growth factor signals or spreading. Some mAbs, called antibody-drug conjugates, are mAbs linked to a chemotherapy drug. The advantage of using antibody-drug conjugate monoclonal antibodies is that, specifically cancer cells and not health cells, are targeted, resulting in fewer side effects or less chemotherapy required. Specific is the key word. In disease challenges and strategies, 6 multiple-choice questions are worth 6 marks, and 2 short answer questions are worth 10 marks. The overall score for this section is 16 marks. With a total possible score of 120 points, the percentage for this section is 13.3% of the total score.
If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel, Dr. Lou's VCE Chemistry channel, and Dr. Lou's VCE Biology channel.